Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Hobbii, one of my favorite online yarn stores. They launched some new yarn, so they sent me a bag for review and testing. Anyway, I'll show you what I got. The list of yarn is in the description box. Make sure to check them out. Let's see what's inside the bag. The first one is Honey Bunny Shine. Ooh, this is really soft. And can you see the shininess? How about from this angle? It's really soft. This is made of polyester and is a bulky yarn. Most people use this for soft toys. But of course, you can use this yarn for anything you like. Another Honey Bunny Shine. Bingo! Does anyone here play the Hobbii Bingo? It was started about a year ago. They always give away amazing prizes, so make sure to download the app. Bingo is now starts at 11 at my time on Monday. Before it was on a weekend, so I have not played for a while. Another bingo. Bingo. Ooh, this is pretty. It's really shiny and lightweight and soft. This yarn is so much prettier than it looks from the screen. This is a number 4 medium category yarn. The colors are gorgeous and they have so many to choose from. Here comes the test that I did for each yarn. Okay, but this one is a little bit messy because this one, it doesn't have the tag to tell you which one is the end and I have to look for it. It's a bulky yarn. I'm using a 6mm hook, so it works up really fast. This yarn is really popular for making soft toys, blankets, cushions. I believe it's also very fun to make an oversized cardigan or sweater. What will you make with this? Comment below to let me know. The next one, Pearly Haze. This yarn is as beautiful as the name. I love all the colors that it offers. There's so many colors to choose from the website, so make sure to check them out. It's lightweight, so it'll be perfect for something that's wearable. I don't know what to make with this one yet. Perhaps leave a comment and give me some ideas. I'm surprised it is recommended to use a 6mm hook because this is a number 4 medium yarn, but whatever size hook you use, it will work. And look at this, how beautiful this is. The last one I got is Bingo. I'm sure most of you are familiar with acrylic yarn. This is a number 2 category, so it's much thinner. I personally like to work with thinner yarns, especially when making sweaters. The holes are much smaller, and it also looks prettier when working with lace patterns. There's also the Bingo XL, which is a thicker version of it. And that's all for today. Please let me know which yarn that you like to try. Have a lovely day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!